This is how you feel when you win a football game. I miss this feeling. Eintracht Frankfurt 1, Liverpool 5, and we end our losing streak in the Champions League. Welcome back to my channel, The Marching Reds. मैं हूं अमन चीमा. इस वीडियो में I am going to review the game between Frankfurt and Liverpool on match day 3 in the Champions League. And finally, we get to see a W in front of Liverpool. So let's start right away. शुरुआत से बात करते हैं. 4 losses in a row, 3 in the Premier League, 1 in the Champions League, and it could have been a tricky fixture against Frankfurt because whenever Frankfurt has been playing this season, there have been a lot of goals being scored, few by them. They've conceded a few, and काफी high scoring match जाता है. And given the fact that we have not looked defensively solid and we've been missing a lot of big chances, ये भी हो सकता था कि हम लोग शायद भले ही 5-1 के स्कोर लाइन से ना हारे, बट एटलीस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग गेम में शायद हार जाए. बट एट द एंड we won the game 5-1. Playing 11 से मैं शुरुआत करूंगा. A lot of questions were raised when we did not see Mohamed Salah in the 11, when we did not see Alexis McAllister in the 11. Gravenberch was out as expected. So we saw Mamadashvili in goal. The defensive line had Robertson in place of Kirkes, Van Dijk, Konate, and Frimpong. Unfortunately, not for long, but Frimpong started the game. उसके बारे में मैं बाद में बात करूंगा. In the midfield, we had Curtis Jones, Soboslai on expected lines, and Florian Wirtz. Then we had Cody Gakpo, Alexander Isak, and Hugo Ekitike. Once the playing 11 was announced, everybody was sort of racking their brains कि यार ये slot क्या 4-4-2 खिला रहा है या is it a diamond formation? Is it more of like 4-2-2-2 kind of a formation? But जैसे हमें गेम की शुरुआत में पता लग गया था, it was a 4-4, like 2 lines of 4 and 2 attackers up front. So Cody Gakpo on the left wing, or like as the left midfielder, and Florian Wirtz on the right, which I was like sort of quite excited to see because Frimpong and Wirtz की जो chemistry आपस में है, you could actually use it as a threat against this team, against Frankfurt, and they could dominate that channel in that attacking half. And उसी के साथ साथ Isak and Ekitike up top were like the first time that we were watching those two strikers start a game for Liverpool. And yeah, काफी interesting lineup थी. मोहम्मद साला के बारे में अगर मैं बोलूं कि why did he not start? I didn't think that it was a sure shot thing that he would start. And in fact कि ऐसी games में like not saying that Frankfurt is a low league team or Champions League में आप rotate करोगे, but you need to utilize the squad when you've got the quality in the squad. So of course, had Mohamed Salah been a little better in terms of his form, definitely he would have started. And जब वो last में भी आया था, उसके बारे में भी काफी लोगों ने criticize किया है या फिर कुछ ना कुछ तो बोला ही है. उसके बारे में भी मैं आऊंगा. What my opinions are on Mohamed Salah's brief performance, and it would be contrary to what like most people have been saying. So watch out for that. But ठीक है, गेम की शुरुआत होती है, and again amazing crowd, like the Frankfurt fans, like they were making sure that easy game तो नहीं होने वाला है for Liverpool, although it eventually turned out to be a very dominating game. And पहले 5-10 मिनट में ठीक है, we were trying to find a feed. Of course, Frankfurt had more of the ball, and slowly but steadily we started getting more into the game. We started creating chances. Isak के एक दो chances बने. Unfortunately he could not score. And then पहला गोल होता है फ्रैंकफर्ट का. बहुत ही अच्छी तरह they get the ball from their defensive area towards the half line and towards their attacking space. And जब वो गोल होता भी है, like again, like we were in the ascendancy, but they get the ball with 3 or 4 passes, they get right into our box. And जब वो shot लिया उस बंदे ने, it went through Robertson's legs. Mamadashvili भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. It was right in the corner, hits the pole and gets in. So I was like कि भाई ऐसा नहीं कि we were immediately opened up, but क्या ही बोल सकते हैं लाइक यू नो कि भाई देवर वेरी व्हाट इफ मोमेंट जहाँ पे पहले भी हम लोग अटैक को रोक सकते थे विद आवर गुड पोजीशनिंग बिकॉज एज दोस वन और टू passes went through we were sort of catching up in that play and उसके बावजूद भी शॉट में भी रॉबर्टसन मोहम्मद आशफली पोल then getting in so it was like कि भाई you can't defend that because अगर एक चीज इधर उधर होती it would not have been a goal but ठीक है 1-0 of course fear तो आया ही था कि भाई 4 गेम्स में ऐसे ही हो रहा है it won't be a surprised element कि अगर इस गेम में भी we find that same pattern कि we are trailing, get to the halftime and get an equalizer and then ठीक है whatever because ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना उसके बारे में because that is not what happened and ठीक है then we get another glittering opportunity. And how did that come across? Frankfurt had the ball. They tried to cross it in the box, and it went through all the players in the box. Robertson was at the end of the line, and he had some time also. He had a look up, and he found that Ekitike was in our own half. All the defenders were in our own half, and then he played that brilliant one-time ball to Ekitike, and Ekitike, oh my God, for that young player to have that much of composure and that much of calmness, given the fact that he was visiting his old team, playing against his old team. His fans, of course, they gave him a very nice, warm reception, but ठीक है उस मोमेंट पे they could have been a lot of things that could have gone through his mind, but he knew that he was in a decent position. He took a touch, got across from the defender, and then he took a touch again, जिसकी वजह से not only he cut across the defender, but he made sure कि भाई defender उसको पकड़ ही नहीं पाएगा, and then he calmed himself down, he slowed himself down. पहले तो उसने rush किया, ठीक है कि like get those yards in, cover that space up, and then right in and around the box. He calmed himself down and then had a look up, slowed himself, and took a shot after having a look at the goalkeeper. I mean, that was just clinical. And he did not celebrate. I mean, he was very respectful in his celebration, which was again a very nice thing to see कि भाई उस level की maturity है, given the fact that he got a red card against Southampton for that jersey. Point is this that he has been that vital player for Liverpool when it has come to those clinical situations. So 1-1, and we were like, okay, ठीक है, unexpected lines. I mean, I did not celebrate it like crazy because we were like, ठीक है, हाँ यार, it was like incoming because we were mounting up the pressure. And then from there on, it was all Liverpool. Like I ठीक है एक दो चांसेस फ्रैंकफर्ट के बाद में बने जिनके ऊपर भी मैं आऊंगा बट उसके बाद आई डिड नॉट सी फ्रैंकफर्ट का कोई भी थ्रेट कमिंग ऑन वेदर इट वाज इन द फर्स्ट हाफ और सेकंड हाफ दोनों गोल से पहले फ्रिम्पोंग गॉट a hamstring injury जिसकी वजह से he got substituted by Connor Bradley. Again, the only thing that I did not want from this game was injuries, and I think as Slot said he would be out for a few weeks. So that means कि अगर अगले एक दो हफ्ते में फिर से इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक आ जाती है so that means we might see him only after the next international break, which is again a tough pill to swallow because भले वो 15-16 मिनट के लिए he looked lively, he looked active, very proactive, and yeah, definitely we are going to miss him because in certain games you want that pace that Frimpong provides. And pace से क्या होता है like as soon as you get away from your defender or from your man, you have that luxury to take your time, either cross or like pick a better pass, and that somehow in a low block defense, like if you're playing against a low block defending team, is just the key. So he would be a definite big miss. And uske baad they scored, we scored, and then we got another corner in a span of like what 3 or 4 minutes after we equalized, and Cody Gakpo gets the ball in. Pehle we were trying to target the further post, like the post जो corner से दूसरी तरफ था, not the near post. इस बार में we targeted that central attacking area जहाँ पे नियर पोस्ट को थोड़ा सा ही क्रॉस करके जहाँ पे कीपर का एरिया आता है वहां पे वैन डाइक make sure that he gets away from his marker and bullets that head in. And within a span of like what 5 minutes, we are 2-1 up. And just before halftime, Ibu Konate steps in and he's like, अगर Van Dijk कर सकता है, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. And his shot was much more of a faster pace. Like he headed the ball and scored the third goal for us. And uska bhi goal काफी incoming था because he was getting very close in scoring all the other games. And yeah, 3-1 up at halftime, which just meant कि भाई that is the perfect platform for us to just control the game, see the game out. And वहाँ पे once the second half started, we saw Chiesa coming on for Alexander Isak, who had a groin injury as per reports, and I just hope that it's a precautionary thing, not a big thing to worry about for Liverpool fans. And then वहाँ पे Florian Wirtz, he was like अब यही time है for me to get those assists and those goals and get on those scoring charts. And not only just because he assisted those later two goals, he played a brilliant game. Like बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग सिर्फ ये देखते हैं कि भी किसने गोल किया, किसने असिस्ट किया, या फिर किसी भी आप ऐप पे जाके या गूगल पे जाके आप देखते हो कि रेटिंग क्या है प्लेयर की. बट जो गेम देखता है ओनली ही नोज, like he or she, like not just being gender neutral here, only those people who watch the game, they know that a lot of things are done behind the ball, a lot of things are done before the assist and the goal which are being scored. And he looked involved from that very first whistle. And काफी उसके moments थे where he had those brilliant passes. And एक दो moments में he could not connect, but you could see the idea that he was trying to do. And finally he got an assist. I think it was Soboslai or Konate who played the ball through Wirtz, and he entered the box. Cody Gakpo was waiting for him to cross the ball. He crosses the ball, gets the goal, and Cody Gakpo scored the fourth goal. Florian Wirtz assisted the goal, and uske baad again another assist for Soboslai. Right outside the box, Wirtz passes it to him, and he smashes it. And if it's Soboslai, you know कि भाई it has to be a cracker of a goal, which it was. So 5-1 Liverpool. Then we saw who else came on? Salah came on. उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे. McAllister came on for Ekitike, who I think had a decent performance, like काफी controlling performance थी उसकी. And was there another person? Yes, Joe Gomez, who came on in place of Konate, and it was nice to see him get some minutes also. सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या थी कि we were not afraid to change our system in this game. Instead of going for a 4-2-3-1 or a 4-3-3, we played a 4-4-2. And possession में, of course, it had to be a 2-3-5 kind of a formation. And yeah, which was really nice to see. And now the question would be कि क्या हम लोग यही टेम्पलेट फॉलो करेंगे? बिकॉज अगर हम लोग यही टेम्पलेट फॉलो करेंगे, वी नीड अनदर स्ट्राइकर विद Ekitike, given the fact that Isak got substituted at half time. So उसकी जगह कौन आता है until unless he proves his match fitness for the Brentford game, which is like what, in 2 days time now. And उसी के साथ साथ साला की मैं बात करना चाहूंगा. He came on for a cameo appearance, and people were like ये selfish हो रहा है, ये अपने गोल्स करना चाहता है. एंड आई एम लाइक इसमें बुराई वाली क्या बात है? आई मीन यू वुड वांट टू सी साला गेट on the score sheet, especially in this game. You would like to see Salah, like, take those shots, get his confidence back, and maybe like score a goal, get an assist here or there. And I love, like, ठीक है, there was this one glittering opportunity where he could have at least squared the ball to Florian Wirtz, जिसकी वजह से वो tap in करके हमारा sixth goal हो जाता. But I like this selfish Salah. I like the fact कि भाई he's taking on himself to make sure that he makes an impact, because बहुत सारे changes थे इस game में, not only in terms of the formation, not only in terms of the playing 11 that Slot chose, also the opposition that we were facing. Like काफी बार हम लोग ऐसे ऑपोजिशन के साथ खेल रहे थे जो सिर्फ लॉन्ग बॉल्स करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, या फिर दे वर ट्राइंग टू पेग अस बैक, व्हिच अगेन वी हैव टू बी बेटर व्हेन वी कम अप अगेंस्ट दोस टीम्स. बिकॉज ब्रेंटफोर्ड जैसे दे आर नोन फॉर देयर सेट पीसेस आल्सो, उनका भी सेम टैक्टिक ही होगा. दे विल नॉट बी प्लेइंग लाइक फ्रैंकफर्ट. डेफिनेटली ब्रेंटफोर्ड अवे इज गोइंग टू बी अ ट्रिकियर चैलेंज than Frankfurt away, especially with the way that they play. तो the way the opposition played helped us. The fact that we were trailing in this game but got ahead before the half time allowed us to be more fluid. तभी आपको वो केमिस्ट्री दिख रही थी, तभी आपको लाइक यू नो चांसेस और दिख रहे थे, तभी आपको वो डोमिनेशन दिख रहा था. दैट इज व्हाई वी वर एबल टू कंट्रोल द गेम. एंड पिछले 4 गेमों में क्या हो रहा है, व्हेन वी वर लाइक व्हेन वी लॉस्ट दोस गेम्स, एक तो हम लोग बहुत जल्दी कंसीड कर रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग पूरा मैच कैच अप ही करने में लगा रहे थे. एंड जब इक्वलाइजर भी हो रहा था, देन वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ अटैकिंग ऑप्शंस अप फ्रंट, जिसकी वजह से ऑफ कोर्स वी वर लाइक नॉट डिफेंसिवली सॉलिड. And we ended up conceding that winner in like what last 5-7 minutes or so, if you look at all those 3-4 games. And उसकी वजह से ना कंट्रोल आ रहा था, ना हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही थी टू डोमिनेट द गेम. इस गेम में just because we scored our set pieces and the fact that we were leading in the game at least for a good 50 minutes or so, that just meant कि opportunity हमारे पास थी to not let this lead go, and that's what we did. So जैसे पहले 7 मैचेस में there were fears that like you know Liverpool अपनी lead concede कर रहा है, and although we were able to find a winner like in those close games, but पूरे गेम में we were the teams who were sort of in the ascendancy or controlling this particular game. So it just tells you that if we are able to get that lead or get that equalizer early, we have this another element up our sleeves कि we can control our games, because Sobozla and Curtis Jones had a brilliant game, both of them. And उसी के साथ साथ Cody Gakpo had a brilliant game. I don't think I can pick out any particular player who did not have a good game. Like Van Dijk was phenomenal, Konate was good, Conor Bradley did not get a yellow card. अगर वो yellow card नहीं लेता तो वो Real Madrid वाले game में suspend हो जाता, and you know another right back crisis हो जाता. So good for us that he did not get that booking. And Robertson looked solid. And midfield बात कर ली, Wirtz was on point, Ekitike, Isak. मतलब it was a very nice performance and something that Liverpool fans were eagerly waiting to see. उसी के साथ साथ now I think in terms of points we are at the same level, जो कि 8th position पे टीम है in the Champions League table. गोल डिफरेंस का फर्क है, जो कि मतलब इतना आप क्या ही कर सकते हो. Like at least you don't want to be behind in that race. And yeah, overall very good. Unfortunately with that Frimpong injury and that Isak injury, एक वो थोड़ा सा not so good वाली feeling दे गया है. But definitely something to look forward to for that Brentford game. अब सबसे बड़ा question ये होगा कि क्या हम लोग इस मैच को as a pivotal moment मानकर अपना मोमेंटम बढ़ा सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं कि नहीं. बिकॉज देर इज नो पॉइंट इन ड्रॉइंग और लूजिंग अगेंस्ट ब्रेंटफोर्ड, नॉट सेइंग कि हम लोग इंटेंशनली वो कर रहे हैं, बट इफ वी कैन यूज दिस विक्ट्री as another step forward and continue on that momentum and win against Brentford, again Crystal Palace, because वो भी एक बोगी टीम बन चुकी है, like you know, then we've got this week where we face Aston Villa, Real Madrid and Manchester City. कोई फायदा नहीं है अगर हम लोग अपने अगले मैचेस में अपनी परफॉर्मेंस कंटिन्यू ना करें, स्पेशली विद द विक्ट्री दैट वी गॉट. सो लेट्स यूज दिस particular game as the turnaround moment, and maybe Slot chooses another 4-4-2 sort of a formation. हाँ, वहां पे बस ये बात हो रही थी कि भाई if we want to fit 2 strikers in, maybe Mohamed Salah does not start, which is fine. Guys, don't get me wrong, Mohamed Salah is an elite player, right? अभी वो फॉर्म में नहीं है. एक बंदा जिसको इसके बारे में कोई डाउट नहीं होगा वुड बी मोहम्मद साला हिमसेल्फ, राइट? सो इस मोमेंट में rather than just saying कि मोहम्मद साला is gone, he's off, like he's done, I would rather be like this is the perfect time for him to take a step back and sort of talk to Slot and be like, okay, ठीक है, if you want to go ahead with a 4-4-2 kind of a system, tell me how I can help you. Tell me where I can help you. ठीक है, उसने goals and assists, of course he's a numbers guy. He likes to be in like knowing कितने goals पीछे है, कितना goals मेरे को और करना है. Like you know, he likes all of that stuff. That's what keeps him going. But कभी कभार आपको टीम के लिए क्या important है वो देखना पड़ता है. Because I would have taken Mohamed Salah in every game starting, and अगर वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वर्ड्स की जगह भी स्टार्ट करता है एज दैट राइट मिडफील्डर, बस उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज डिफरेंट होती कि ही माइट नॉट हैव बीन दैट अटैकिंग, he might have been a little more defensive to what we've been used to seeing him, which is fine. मेरे को मोहम्मद साला की हैट्रिक से ज्यादा लिवरपूल को जीतते हुए देखना है. Of course, he's a clutch guy. He knows how to make those moments count, and we need those players like that. I don't care whether मोहम्मद साला 20 गोल करे या 10 गोल करे या 15 गोल करे. मेरे को पता है कि मेरी टीम के पास एक एलीट प्लेयर है जहां पे मुझे उसकी जरूरत होगी. I am going to use him. We are forced of this habit कि Mohamed Salah is going to start every game. Mohamed Salah is going to get an assist or goal every game. And I would love for that to continue even in a different formation. But I am totally fine even if that particular thing does not continue, because I would want to see Liverpool win, and Mohamed Salah would also want to see Liverpool win and contribute in any sort of way. Yes, his first way to contribute is those goals and assists, but now looking at those different situations and different formations that we, or like Arne Slot might try, maybe that is not what is asked for him. And whatever that new responsibility or that new role would be, might be, जो भी होगा, he is a top quality player to get used to it. So I have no concerns about Mohamed Salah. And it was nice to see, जैसे मैंने अपने वीडियो में पहले भी कहा था, to see that eagerness in him, the fact that he still wants to prove. And जब तक वो goals हो रहे थे when he was being selfish, तब तक तो हाँ ठीक है, like साला अपने बारे में सोचता है, whatever. But जब नहीं हो रहे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि भाई he has lost his ability to score those goals. And as I said in my preview also, every day that passes by, I'm using it as a way to tell me that we are getting closer to performing at our best levels as a team. And इस case में I would like to use that example as an individual player also. He is not far away from scoring his elite goal, the one that we saw against Atletico Madrid, if you guys remember that goal. But yeah, so all good news except those injuries, and I genuinely hope we build on this momentum with the game against Brentford. So let me know what were your opinions on this game. Did you watch the game? Did you just saw the score line? And were you happy with the 11? Were you not happy with the 11? Because some people were like, इसने किएजा को शुरुआत क्यों नहीं करी? But again, that is a separate point. Do let me know if you think Liverpool can maintain that momentum in the Premier League in that comment section. And if you've liked this video, let me know by liking this video and commenting below in the comment section. You can also let me know by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you very shortly. Till then, take care.